Hey chat, okay, we're back. We're at the Drop Cafe. It doesn't look too busy. Let's go see what they have. Okay, bag secured. I got the Dubai chocolate brownie and then I got the pumpkin spice something. Let's try it. Let's just try it without stirring it first. Okay, definitely need to stir it. Hold on. And yeah, there was actually a lot of people in their chat, which is why I didn't stay in there to make this video. Here we go. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's sweet, but I'm not like in love. Do you know what I mean? Like it's mid. For $7, it's mid, but whatever. Okay, but what I'm really excited for is the star of the show. Okay, let's try it. I'm gonna go with the smaller one. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Are you ready? Yeah. It's moist. 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. I just wanted to be up close and personal. Look at that. Do you guys see that? Do you hear the crunch? This is fire. Like, oh my gosh, you guys have to try this. I definitely want to come back and try more things because they have such like a large variety of like croissants, muffins, like everything. So I want to try all of it. I'm like a sweets girly, so we should make this a series, like trying the Drop Cafe's menu. Well, that's my life. Thank you so much for watching.